These hounds have been very good today. Been helping Mum do chores while Dad and Aaron Jr. have been away at work and school. And because of that, Mum has some very special treats in the form of some leftover steak. You ready? No, wait. Nicely. You ready? Okay, let's go. Good catch, Angus. You want another piece? You ready?
Ready? Good dogs.
Whoa.
They're like sharks.
Oh, crocodiles.
Alrighty. We've got a little bit more. Ready? Good dogs. Good sitting.
Oh, nearly lost it, Angus. Right, you enjoy that, you guys? Steak for buddy dinner. And now we're going to get you some kibbles. Let's go!